In this video, I am talking about how to get only 4G network mode in Nokia Mobile. In that case, my device is Nokia 3.2 and these tricks also worked all kind of Nokia Mobile. Let's see how to enable only 4G network on Nokia Mobile. I already enabled 4G network in my device. Now follow my instruction. Go to the Google Play Store. Search hare 4G only network mode. I already install 4G only network mode on my device. Now choose your SIM card. Phone 0 equals SIM 1. Phone 1 equals SIM 2. Select your preferred network type. Select LTE only. Now go back. Now 4G network turn on your device.